African love song helped us on our way, made our hearts feel that strong. As the African day, singing bye bye December African rain. Long gone summer has passed and I hear the owls calling my name. Your latest danced across your face, my friend. Though I love you, I know somehow this is gonna be the end. All the birds have flown away, the night is closing in. It's so hard to say goodbye to eyes as old as yours, my friend. Standing on to you, the moon is rising. Somewhere in the world, spirit flying. Standing on to you, leaves are falling, taking us away. Never knew who I could love more. You are the land, till I stood lost upon that shore. Naked and alone, I was singing bye bye December African rain. The long gone summer has passed and I hear the owls calling my name. Firelight danced its last across your face, my friend. Though I love you, I somehow know this is gonna be the end. Cause all the birds have flown away, the night is closing in. It's so hard to say goodbye to boys as old as yours, my friend.